Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Kennedy, and I am a project aide with the Walton Sustainability Teachers Academy, as well as a student at Arizona State University studying sustainability. The purpose of this video is to provide general information about how much food is wasted in the United States, the reason food is wasted, and why all of this is an issue. To start us off, it is important to remember that food can be wasted at any point in the food system. When food doesn't meet quality standards, farmers throw it away. Food expires in stores when it is not purchased fast enough and is thrown away there. Or it could even make its way all the way to your house and be thrown away by you simply because you forgot about it in the back of your refrigerator. The U.S. Department of Agriculture estimates that 30 to 40% of our food supply is wasted every year. Just at the consumer and retail level, the USDA estimates that 133 billion pounds of food is wasted every year. While food waste is not solely a consumer responsibility, there are a few reasons why food is wasted so much on average in a typical American household. Here are some reasons why food might be wasted at home. When food is improperly stored, such as an item needing refrigeration, but the consumer does not refrigerate it, it goes bad. Oftentimes, people overpurchase food and are unable to eat it all before it goes bad. People can forget about leftovers in the back of their fridge, or simply, people could just opt to eating out and ignore their plans to eat at home for convenience. All these situations are typically not done to explicitly waste food, but rather is a lack of planning or misinformation. Now that you have heard why food waste can typically happen in households, let's learn about why it becomes an issue on a large scale. To start, growing or raising food can be extremely resource intensive, meaning that large quantities of water, fertilizer, time, money, and even fossil fuels are used to make food. When we use these resources to create food but then waste it, we essentially are throwing away everything it took to create that food. Additionally, household food waste in the US equates to wasting $166 billion on a yearly basis. Next, with 35 million people in the United States experiencing food insecurity or facing issues with hunger, excessive amounts of food waste could be used as meals for those who are struggling. We have the ability to grow food to feed our entire population. In fact, we do it every year. But often, the food doesn't make it to the people that need it most. Finally, when food is wasted and ends up in a landfill, it can produce methane, a greenhouse gas that is 25 times as potent as carbon dioxide. Food in landfills also waste limited resources such as nitrogen and phosphorus, both of which are chemicals required to grow food. If food waste is not diverted to compost, it negatively impacts the environment even more. Food waste is a huge issue around the world, but especially here in the United States. It has tremendous environmental, economic, and human impacts while providing no benefits. Thankfully, there are some real solutions to this massive issue, which will be covered in the following short video. Thank you.